Okay, guys, I'm hoping this is going to work. So we're going to get started. This is conversion equivalence. So if kisses cost 25 cents, how many kisses do you get for $2? 25 cents each. So if 25 cents, if there's 4 quarters in $1, how much in $2? Uh-oh, is 8. 2.3 grams equals. Let's see, let's look at all your choices. I think I'm going to be inclined 2.3 grams. I'm going to move that decimal over 3 places to the right. How many ounces are in 1 cup? So this is one you just have to memorize. You got to believe in yourself. Get the options. Is it 4, 6, 16? Well, 16's a pint. So I think I'm going to go with 8 ounces. How many teaspoons are in 1 ounce? So this is something, again, you're going to memorize this. Like, what? No, toilet paper? Corona. How many teaspoons are in 1 ounce? You're going to memorize this. You've got to memorize it. 6 teaspoons. How many tablespoons are in 2 ounces? Tastes like chicken. So there's 2 tablespoons in 1 ounce. We got 2 ounces. So you look at your options. How many cups are in 1.5 pints? So there are 2 cups in a pint, and I bet you the answer's 3. But we're going to just pick 6. So there's 3 cups in 1.5 pints. How many teaspoons are in 3 tablespoons? So there's how many teaspoons in 1? There's 3 teaspoons per tablespoon. That's 3. We got 3 tablespoons. 3 times 3. How many liters do you have? If you've got 0 or you've got 34 milliliters, this time you're going to move that decimal 3 spaces to the left. 34 milliliters, 1, 2, 3. Micrograms. So there's 1,000 microgram per milligram. 250 microgram. You're going to go 3 decimals to the, move it 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3. Always put a leading 0, but you don't put a trailing 0. You got to drop that trailing 0. Okay, if you're going to convert from kilogram to pound. Kilogram ends in M, you multiply. Pound ends in D, you divide. But since it's M, we're going to multiply by 2.2. 1,600 milligram equals how many grams? Well, there's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So we see we're going to move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. But you've got to drop these following zeros. You no longer need them, and if you leave them, somebody's inclined to make a mistake. How long will 1 pint bottle last a patient taking 2 teaspoons 3 times a day? Well, a pint is 480 milliliters. A teaspoon is 5 milliliters. So 2 teaspoons, that's 10 milliliters. You take 10 milliliters 2 times a day, that's 30 milliliters. Divide by 480. You get 16. There you go. See? 6 teaspoons equal. It equals 30 milliliters. It equals 2 tablespoons. I see there's 1 ounce. He even got it. Four tablespoons, or tablespoons full, equal. Look. Oh. So a tablespoon is 15 milliliters. 4 times 15 is 60 milliliters. That's not an option. But I see 2 ounces. That's the same thing as 60 milliliters. So there we go. What is 25% of $4? Mice cost $1. 25%, they're going to multiply $4 times, convert a percent to a decimal, is 0.25 times 4, $1. You can get a bag of mice. One and a half quarts. Okay, now this was answered earlier. Okay, so 1.5 quarts. There's 2 pints in a quart. This means we have 3 pints. There's 2 cups in a pint. 2 times 3. Three is to 5. So this is just like a fraction. 3 over 5. What is 3 if you divide it by 5? It's 0.6. What is 0.6 expressed as a percentage? 162 milliliters is how many liters? Twist the selfie. We're going to move that decimal 1, 2, 3. So you get 0.162, but you've got to do something. You need to put a 0 in front of it since you do not have a whole number. That's going to improve or prevent an error. Four teaspoons is how many milliliters? Look, a voodoo? No. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. So we got 4 times 5 milliliters. I think there we go. Three tablespoons is how many milliliters? Well, how many milliliters is in 1 tablespoon? There's 15 milliliters in 1 tablespoon. So what's 15 times 3? One grain equals how many milligrams? Depending on your resource, you're going to see its ranges from 60 to 65. In the United States and in pharmacy practice, it's 65 milligrams. So you'll see aspirin comes as a 5 grain, 325 milligram. You're going to see iron tablets, 5 grain, 325 milligram. So it's 65 milligrams. Hey, it looks like we won. Okay, guys. Well, thank you for joining me. Have a good afternoon.